Hey, the Bears here, and today we're at
Uncharted!
Woo, woo. So we're away at Portaventura for the brand new ride. Let's see how it is. Let's go! Right, Uncharted.
Yeah.
It looks a bit busy. It's been up and down though. Yesterday was a nightmare where they wanted it, just kept closing.
Yeah, just kept closing it. What a nightmare. Yeah.
And then they like closed it early completely, about 9:30. They said, nah, we're done.
Yeah.
Didn't they? So I get you have issues, but
saying now on the sign so it's closed, but it's not, it's open.
yeah, so we're just going to get in, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we're going to give you our honest review.
Yeah.
Let's go! So already the lack of a proper main entrance is kind of causing mass queue jumping, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, I get it, because no one knows where to go, do they?
No.
To be honest, but
No, it's not very good, is it?
it's not the best for a brand new ride as well.
No.
Hopefully it's good though. We will judge it on the ride itself.
Yeah.
But yeah, at least it's well themed out here. We'll get some nice shots. But yeah, it does look nice from the outside.
Yeah,
and we still
it does.
don't really know nothing about it, do we?
No.
Not a clue, do
We
we?
purposely didn't look at any spoilers or anything like that.
No, we just thought we'd go in blind, a bit like we did with Curse, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
So at least we got it fresh, don't we?
Yeah.
I think it's going to be like the Mummy.
I do, I think it's going to be like the Mummy and Universal.
Yeah, hopefully. The only thing we do know, it's got a lateral drop.
Yeah.
Only because we saw a poster. What's
First
that? World
one in
first.
Europe?
Yeah.
Or something, yeah.
We're not too sure. We're not too good on the terminology, are we, to be
No.
honest? We're close enough usually, aren't we?
Yeah.
Just makes up, don't we? But I do think it's going to be like a sideways drop from what...
Yeah, she was
what
sideways.
I can only imagine it'd be that.
Yeah.
I don't actually know.
No.
Let us know, guys. What's a lateral drop? We'll let you know after we've been on it anyway.
Yeah.
So we're at the entrance. There's a single rider queue as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't know how long we have to go in there, but if it's quite short, we might try again, might we?
Yeah, it's going to be long. Isn't it?
Probably, yeah. Well, we're finally here. This cattle pen here, it's moved pretty quick, hasn't it, to be fair?
Yeah, it's not been too bad.
It's not been too bad, so we'll see how far we've got to wait in there.
Yeah.
You excited, Hev?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait. It's going to be good. Uncharted, let's go.
It's
Not
not
even
wood.
wood. No. Looks a bit dirty already as well, to be honest, doesn't it? Dirty. It's not even open a month, not even a month, has it?
17th of June or something like that, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. We're in the building. And what's this? Oh, lovely. It's going to be a long one, Ev. It is. Ev's on a little rest. But we're a bit hot, aren't we? And we bumped into coasters with Mar yesterday, didn't we? And they showed us a little trick. So we made a fan out of our map. That cool you down, Ev? So it's a little hack, a little theme park hack, isn't it? We're at the station, finally. We got called forward for a 2, didn't we?
Yeah.
And they're just putting the third train on. Just
Yeah.
gotta wait a couple of minutes, that's absolutely fine, isn't it?
Yeah.
At least they're putting the third train on.
At least they're putting the third train
Yeah.
on,
And that staff member was really nice, that one.
Yeah,
So shout
very
out
good.
to just the one in the middle there.
Yeah,
Absolutely brilliant.
Really good.
Yeah, pulled us forward, explained what happened, told us in English as well. Amazing. Well, hopefully, is it going to be good, Ab? You excited?
Yes, I am.
It wasn't a 50-minute queue, was it?
No, considering I've waited in queues for 4 hours now and haven't been on a ride,
It's good, yeah.
it's better be good.
It better be good, I'd say. Yeah. What do you think then, Ev?
It was good, but it wasn't world breaking.
No, we'll speak outside, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're in the shop, just off the exits there.
We got a... Oh, let's just put Portaventura World.
Yeah. They just, yeah. They got some more stuff over here, I think. Some nice little merchy bits though.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
and
the
Uncharted.
Uncharted.
It's alright. It's a standard one, isn't it? 30 for the shorts. You can get some sandals. That's quite cool. Oh, a nice little mug. See that? Nice little bracelets and things. Yeah, I mean, we've not played the games or seen the films, so we don't really know what Uncharted is about that much, really. But £12.95 is not too bad. It's okay. Nice little hat there.
€6.95.
That's okay as well. And you can get your pictures frames.
Yeah.
There.
wanted.
That's pretty cool. We've got some nice little merchy bits on this, to be honest.
That's a nice top.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got something on the back.
Oh, like a map.
Yeah,
That's good, isn't it?
that's nice.
I like them shorts, to be fair. Quite cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. For exploring whatever they're doing, I'm not too sure.
And a classic bear. Sorry.
Oh, gotta have a classic bear, haven't they? Do you reckon he's going to escape?
Probably.
And some hats. Quite a small little shop, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we do some reviewing then. Uncharted review. Right, here we go.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, there's some really good elements like the launches, quick launches.
Yeah.
You go backwards. Obviously, we've got the lateral thing, which you're just on the side and then you go down.
Yeah, it's only like 3 or 4 foot. It's not a tiny thing. So just kind of explain. We didn't really know what it was. It does feel like it's a multi-launch indoor dart roller coaster.
Yeah.
But it's got various different elements. To be honest.
Yeah.
Quite a few launches. The launches were quite good actually. It's probably the best bit.
Really fun, yeah.
Yeah, there's a big. We wanted it to be like the Mummy, and I suppose it kind of was. There was a few screens, and you got a few showy bits. No effects. I didn't really notice any kind of effects or anything. Did you?
No.
No.
And it was really short.
Really short, literally like 30 seconds to do the ride. I'm sure it did take longer, but it felt really short.
Yeah, it felt so short.
Yeah, as I'm saying, the lateral drop's pretty small, nothing major really. Yeah, nothing that you wouldn't have got on Spinball, to be honest. Back at Alton Towers.
Yeah.
That was big.
You know when you go down the back up, you can go down sideways. It's very similar.
Very similar to that. We didn't obviously understand much of the show bits. We didn't really know much about Uncharted, so we can't really judge that too much.
No.
But it looked alright.
Yeah.
There was a spire where you go up and come back down, like a boomerang bit.
Yeah,
that was good.
That was good.
And it was fast, it was fun, but it just felt like it was missing something, to be honest.
Yeah.
I don't know what.
I don't know what. And I don't think it was worth an hour and 40-minute queue.
No, we queued an hour and 43 minutes technically. We just checked the times.
Yeah.
And that is crazy. What? No, it's putting a third train on and it took ages to put it on the centre roundabout. And it's safety first and everything, but literally about 10:15, it felt like 10:15. We lost count, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Even the staff were getting bored, to be honest.
Yeah, they were, to be fair.
Yeah.
You could see them and they were just like, oh, for God's sake.
It's like, come on. But whatever, as long as it's going now, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
We've done it. Would we recommend it? If you're in Portaventura and the queue's probably less than half an hour, yeah, why not?
I wouldn't come all the way here just to ride that ride though.
No, I wouldn't spend the money coming all the way just for that, to be honest.
No.
But it was fun and we did
fun,
it.
Yeah.
And it's a nice little addition to the park, I suppose.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it fits in well with the area.
Yeah, so it's all nice, all good fun. That's our honest review anyway. But if you want to check out more from Portaventura, check out one of these videos over here.